So I want to get started with digital art, but only got $500. What tablets do I buy? Let's get into it. If you are new to the channel, I do content like this every single week, so consider subscribing. So I have a budget of $500 and I need to get into digital art. What tablets do I need to buy? We're gonna break this down into two tiers. Now, one tier is I have $500 and I do not have a computer. The second tier is I got $500 and I have a computer. So let's go into the no computer option. So I would buy the iPad Pro, one of the older generations. I saw one on Amazon. It's like a 9.7 inch screen. Then you have to buy the Apple Pencil. So altogether they'll run you about $400. The second option is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Lite. That is a long name. Samsung, I'm gonna need y'all to shorten up y'all names just a little bit. But this tablet is a 10.4 inch tablet. It comes in at right around $389. I think I saw it for. It comes with the S Pen, so you don't have to worry about that. Everything, you can just buy the tablet and download the apps and get started. And just as a reminder, when I first got started with digital art, I started with this tier. I actually had a Samsung Tab A 10.1 inch tablet. So you definitely can get started with this option. Now let's go to tier 2. Now tier 2 is I have a capable computer. Now, if you do not know whether or not you have a capable computer or not, I did a video on that. I'm gonna be putting it right up here or right here. I always get it mixed up, but I'm gonna be putting up that link so you can check that out. And also just a cheat sheet is to look up art softwares like Krita, Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, and look at their minimum requirements. You look that up and you match that up with your actual computer and it should be able to run those particular software. Now let's get to the option. So option number 1 is going to be the Wacom One Display tablet. It is a 13.3 inch screen. It comes in at right around $400. It's $399.95, so that's about $400. And so the thing about this tablet is, you know, I know you can get a bigger screen tablet, more resolution for the amount of money that you're actually paying for the Wacom One. I know this. But what's gonna happen is you're gonna have a bigger screen, you're gonna have a better resolution, 2K, 4K resolution, but your drawing experience on that particular tablet is gonna suck. It's gonna suck. Or it's just gonna stop working altogether. So you're better off going with the Wacom One Display tablet. Option number 2. Now option number 2, I think is the best option out of everything. Everything that I've already said, I think this is the best option. And this is the Wacom Intuos Pro graphics tablet. Now, like I said, this is a graphics tablet. Now, a graphics tablet is a tablet that you draw on, but what you draw does not display on the actual tablet. It displays on your computer screen. So it's going to be a bit of a learning curve to that, but once you get through that learning curve, it's all good. Now this tablet comes in 3 different sizes. It comes in a small, large, medium. The small runs about $170 something. Medium is around $3 something, almost $400, and the large is going in at like $499. You might want to say $500. Now, the thing about this tablet, what I really like about this tablet is that it is a graphics tablet, and you do not have to worry about your screen going dead. The longevity of a graphics tablet typically is going to be longer than a display tablet. And so once you buy this, you're gonna be set. I mean, this is a pro level tablet. This is not a, you know, a cheap amateur tablet. Pro artists to this day are using the Intuos Pro. If you are new to digital art, I compiled all of what I've learned into this worksheet. So if you're interested in it, you're just getting started with digital art, you don't know what to buy or whatever, download the guide. It's going to be down in the description below. Now, for all of y'all who stayed for the end of the video, we're going to have a bonus tier. Now, this bonus tier is, I ain't got $500. I don't have a capable computer. All I have is $100 and I have a Chromebook. That's all I got. Well, you're in luck. They just started making tablets Chromebook enabled, I guess, or working with the actual Chromebook. So option number one is gonna be the XP Pen Deco Mini 7W, right? And this thing comes in at around $60, comes in around $60. And then the second option is gonna be one by Wacom. I know I just said the Wacom one display tablet, and then you got the one by Wacom. They didn't do a better job with the naming because it's kind of confusing, but both of these tablets are graphics tablets that you can use on Chromebook, and they both run about $60. Now, Brad Colbow, I hope I'm not mispronouncing his name, he did a review on both of these tablets, so I'm going to be linking his review down in the description below, so if you want to check that out, you can. Anyway, I hope you got some type of value out of this video today. If you did, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at y'all next time. Believe that.